Hello friends. In the last video we had discussed about Robin becomes an outlaw, lesson number 15. This lesson is not for unit test, but even though I had sent half of the lesson, so I thought I'll be sending the full. We had discussed that Robin Hood is a leader of the band of outlaws. He used to rob from the rich and give it to the poor. So how he was trapped, that we had discussed in the last video, how he was trapped. He was asked to hit the deer, and then he was taken as a means means he was told that he has committed crime, and the forester shouted and were trying to catch him. Till that we had discussed, isn't it? So page number 138, please listen and see. I will tell you what you are good for, said the chief forester. You are a good for the hangman rope. He turned means you are good, आप फांसी देने के लायकी के हो, ऐसा उसको बोला जाता है. He turned to the other foresters and shouted, hold him, men. We have been searching for the man who has killed many of the king's deer and now we have caught him red handed. Purposely उसको बोला कि इसको शूट कर, और जब उसने शूट किया तो उसको बोला कि तूने बहुत सारे किंग्स डीर को मारा है और अभी हमने उसको पकड़ लिया है. Robin realized that he had been tricked. He knew that the punishment for killing a king's deer without permission was death. Robin realized, Robin was knowing, but he has not done the crime, but he had no reason to prove it. So, but he had forgotten it when the chief forester lay a bet with him. Means he became emotional, and he accepted the challenge given by the forester. So he was trapped. He had to escape or he would be caught and hanged. Means king will not listen to any queries or anything like that, and punishment was severe of hanging. But before he fled, he let loose another arrow. Means he let loose another arrow. This arrow hit the chief forester's neck, who fell on the ground. Means he hit one arrow and it fell on the ground. Some of the men ran to help him. The other ran after Robin to take him as a prisoner. Means some of the men were looking after the chief forester, but others ran for the Robin to take him as a prisoner, because it was the what to say, it was the order of the forester. So Robin knew the forest well and he was able to escape the forester, because Robin had spent many of his years in the forest. So he knew where to escape, how to escape, he knew all the ways and means. So he was able to escape from the foresters. He hid himself in the thickest part of the forest and stayed there for some days. Means वो छुप गया था, बहुत घने घने जंगलों में छुप गया था, और stayed there for some days. Finally, when he thought it was safe for him to go home, he made his way home. But there were soldiers waiting for him. But when he thought it was safe to go home, he made his way to home. But there were soldiers waiting for him. The chief forester was killed, and this made Robin an outlaw. The sheriff had announced a prize of 100 silver coins to any man who caught Robin Hood. The sheriff had announced a prize of 100 silver coins to any man who caught Robin Hood. So they were waiting for him to catch him. Understood, children? He was prize was kept. म्हणजे उसके पकड़ने पे 100 सिल्वर कॉइन्स. तो कोई भी म्हणजे सोचेगा ना कि क्या हुआ, मैं पकड़ के दे देता हूँ. But it was not easy to catch Robin, because he was also an outlaw. The people of his town loved Robin very much, but people loved him because he always helped the people. They never blamed him, as Robin had killed a man who had tricked him and almost got him hanged. He has not killed in anger but to save his own life. But people were knowing the fact. But the king was not really knowing the fact, and king was not in a mood to believe also. He was not really a bad man. So when he returned to his town, the folks warned him about the soldiers. Robin had no choice but to go back to the forest and live there. The people told him about the soldiers, that they were waiting to catch him. So he had no other choice, but he has to go back to the forest through secret ways. So Robin stayed hidden in the Sherwood forest for many years. So Robin made up his mind. See, you have to underline this, the forest in which Robin stayed hidden. So it is Sherwood Forest. You must be knowing the names. Robin stayed hidden in Sherwood Forest for many years. As time passed, other men joined him in the forest. जैसे जैसे समय गया, दूसरे लोग भी जो अच्छे काम करते थे, जैसे अमीरों से छीन के गरीबों को देते थे, वो लोग इसको ज्वाइन कर लिए. वो लोग इसको आउटलॉ या फिर कल्प्रिट ऐसे कुछ मानते नहीं थे, लेकिन इसका प्रूव करना बहुत मुश्किल था. और उधर बाहर इसका सोल्जर्स वर वेटिंग फॉर हिम. तो दैट्स वाई ही हैज़ टू स्टे इन द forest only. He had no other choice. Against Sheriff. Sheriff was a cunning man who was bent upon catching him, because Sheriff was not, he was also an outlaw, but he was not as good as Robin, because Robin was a good person. He never tricked anyone, but he was tricked by others and other noblemen to protect themselves and their family. As a result, they had been made outlaws and their houses, farms had been taken away. So whoever followed Robin, they were made the outlaws and their houses and farms had been taken away. They ran away to the forest to save their lives or escape being sent to prison. They ran away to the forest. Reason was why they ran away to the forest: to save their lives. Means they were also caught, like Sheriff caught Robin na. In the same way, these men who joined Robin were also caught, and they were either they were hanged or they were being sent to prison. So to escape from that, they joined the band of Robin. So they were known as band. Band is a collective noun, children. It's a group of people. So you have to remember whenever you read, and you have to ascertain the meaning also. Just reading will not prove anything. You have to read. You have to read, and soon he had become a chief of a band of over 20 strong men and brave men. So his leaders were, he in a group there were 20 strong men and brave men. So their team was becoming strong, and in this way they were able to fight the Sheriff. They fought against Sheriff and his friends and tried to protect the simple villagers from cruelty of the powerful noblemen. So their band work was to protect the Sheriff men, and tried to protect the simple villagers from the cruelty of the powerful noblemen. These powerful noblemen were cruel because they were not means they were ill treating poor men, and they were exploiting. Actually they were exploiting, but this Robin Hood and his team never allowed any nobleman to exploit. So they were against the Robin, but many of the town folk who were poor were in the team of Robin, and were knowing that Robin is not an outlaw, he is a very good person. So he was protected by the town men actually from the soldiers. And you can read further. This is a very good story by an American illustrator and author born in Wilmington, Delaware, United States, Howard Pule. So this is a very good story by this author, and if you want, you can continue this with, you can search in the library this book. You may get the further information about him. So friends, I hope you have understood. Robin becomes an outlaw. It's a very good lesson, friends. You have to read, and we have already discussed glossary, and you have to form the glossary sentences, friends. So this will help you a lot, I think so. And regarding paper, friends, I have sent passage. So you have to read carefully the passage and then try to answer, because in most of the papers I have seen that you are not reading the passage. You have to carefully read the passage, then इत्मीनान से पहले पैसेज पढ़ना, फिर क्वेश्चन पढ़ना, उसका मीनिंग पढ़ना, फिर उसको आंसर देने की कोशिश करना. ये नहीं कि अभी घर में है तो बुक खोल लिया, बुक में से देख के लिख लिया. दैट इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. ये प्रोसीजर करना नहीं है फ्रेंड्स. कोई देख रहा नहीं देख रहा, गॉड इज़ देयर एवरीवेयर. सो यू डोंट मीन्स अप्लाई ऑल दीज सोर्सेस. ये गलत सोर्सेस में जाना नहीं है. अपने को टेस्ट समझ के बिना देखे ही लिखना है, लेकिन लिखते वक्त आपको पढ़ पढ़ के अगर आप लिखेंगे तो आप बहुत कुछ लिख सकेंगे दोस्तों. ओके देन, वी हैव completed Robin Hood lesson. So in the next video, if possible, I'll be sending you notes. Till then, have a good day. Goodbye.
કાલો કાલસ पे કાલ કેમ પણ કાલ ટાઈમ જ મેલે ને મને પરેશ ભાઈ બી તાયા માથે પોછેલા કામ તો છે બાલો